Why does your scanner show the P0820 engine code? What does it mean? P0820 is a diagnostic trouble code for gear lever XY position sensor circuit. It indicates the PCM has detected a defect in the transmission shift mechanism range circuit for a given gear lever position. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty gear lever position sensor. Damaged wiring. Loose or corroded connections. Failed transmission control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.